How we doing, everybody? It is Larry here again for the Leroy channel. It's been a while since I've done a video. Just been out learning and advancing myself and just doing a lot of stuff, plus family obligations and all that fun things. I wanted to make this video today just to bring about some changes that are coming to the channel. Basically, we're going to be stepping away from the food stuff for a little while. Reason being is just I've gotten rid of nutrition coaching from my business. I just didn't really feel satisfied with it, and what was, how the process works with clients and whatnot. So don't like it. So I'm getting rid of that. I had recommendations for dietitians and licensed professionals, so I'd rather refer you to them. So moving forward, I spent a lot of time refocusing on human movement and biomechanics, which was one of my fascinations growing up, what's pretty much got me into fitness, and I wanted to just revisit that aspect of health and fitness and training and all that things. With that said, I've really learned so much over the last couple of months that it made me realize that I knew pretty much nothing before. And I hate to say this, but a lot of trainers out there have no idea what they're doing. And that's not a knock on anybody or a breakdown of any specific gym or training style or whatever. Just when it comes to working effectively and efficiently with clients, majority of trainers have no idea what they're doing. So I'm hoping to bring about some change and some education. Now, there are going to be things that I say that I know for a fact people are not going to agree with. That is perfectly fine, and that's kind of how it's supposed to go, because there's a lot of things out there that I don't agree with. Right? Now, here's the difference, is you will not find me ripping somebody apart, calling them stupid, calling them idiots, calling them names and childish stuff. That's not what we're about. My biggest thing that I want to bring to the industry and to everybody out there is, let's discuss before we disagree. I had a nice conversation with somebody on TikTok one time when they showed me an exercise that I did not agree with at all. So instead of saying, oh, that's not true, that's not how it works, and blah, 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 I basically said, hey, can you explain to me how you came to this conclusion? Can you explain to me how you think this works? So we had a very nice discussion back and forth. We still ended up disagreeing, but there was discourse and there was a conversation. Now, there were certain things that I agreed on, and there are certain things that he was like, oh, I can see that. But still, no, I like my way better. Okay, hey, to each his own. Again, the dangers of fitness influencers on the internet without formal training or education, that's a different story and a whole other video, which, to be honest, has been done to death by almost everybody, so I'm not going to do that. My thing is discuss before you disagree. Let's have a conversation, a polite, adult conversation, and let each other explain our positions. Hey, you may learn something. I may learn something. I may change my mind. You may change your mind. So, let's try and do this. Okay? You're going to see a couple of videos coming up from me that will basically start this conversation. Okay? Whether you disagree or you agree, hey, that's what the comment section is for. And let's go moving forward, with questions, not with negative statements. The moment I see a negative statement, you're done. Comments deleted and you're blocked. Because that's not what this is about. We're creating a conversation. I don't want to see or read crap that says, oh, not a single rep was done. Really? How do you know? You're watching a video. How do you know it's not done? Are you inside that person's body? Do you know how they function? No, you don't. So, discuss before you disagree. Okay? Thanks again for watching. If you've gotten this far, I do apologize if I go on rants, but that's going to be happening a lot. Alrighty? We're creating a channel for education and discussion. Alrighty? Thanks again for watching. If you haven't done so, please hit that like, subscribe button because we are going to be having more videos coming out. So, until then, have yourself a great day and be awesome.